Yo, what it do? Checking out your boy Juss Russ, holding it down, cooking African food, cultural food. Where I'm from, Zimbabwe. You know what it is. Come a bit closer. This is Sadza. It's like maize meal. That's what I'm cooking right now. Can you see it? No, the head is coming out in the camera. Right, my friends, don't ever think I lost it and I can't cook it. Maybe because I'm living in UK, that'll be a lie. I can cook it, so for the next maybe 5 to 10 minutes you're gonna watch me as I finish off my little cooking. The camera came in a bit late. But yeah. We're out and about, doing what we're doing. I'm hungry. I'm not eating what they're eating. Whatever you call it, pasta or rice. Or pasta, they call it in English, pasta. Because you know say Sadza chishinyira. You know what that means, right? I like this part. Nah. Episode 1, see ladies? You got a good man right here. A man that cooks, a man that washes, a man that cleans. A man that knows how to handle his business. You know what I'm saying? His business. Stay there for a minute, I'll show you what I'm cooking. This is what we have in the UK. I'm not promoting it, no, but no, I'm just playing. I promote African brand. They'll pay me though one day. Yeah, but this is what we cook. That's Sadza, pap, stwala. And that's stew. So it's Sadza and stew. Just cooking it up. Chopped up the onions. As you can see, England is that cold. It's getting in the house blowing and everything now. Chopped up my onions. Turn the heating down on the Sadza so it kind of like, you know, steadily cooks up. Very steadily cook up. Is that what you know about that business? That TI business? What you know about this home? This is that. You eat this, you can drink, you can sleep, you can have all the fun you want. You ain't worried about nothing for the next 10, 12 hours because you belly so full up. And you wonder why I look pretty? Because that keeps it real, baby. You know what it is, man. Juss Russ TV. Yeah, cooking Sadza Nenyama. Straight. I think I might actually make a song called Sadza Nenyama. Sadza Nenyama pa diaspora. You dig? Right? My Sadza is cooked up. So is my meat. I can smell it, getting all, you know, ready to get fried up. My stew. I should have done a little clip of me cooking some nice, you know, like 5-star course meals. But anyway, don't worry, it's coming soon. Let me do that on the side. Put my Sadza away. Put it in number 1. You know, it's kind of like keep it warm as I'm dealing with that. Now the master is doing a segment that we call frying up stew. With my face in the camera, like they can actually, you know, what's going on, you understand? Like understand. Oh, look at that. That is some nice juicy meat in there. Jesus Christ. I feel sorry for the meat because I'm gonna enjoy it. The only thing that's missing right now is a kind of Stella. But you know, you got getting off the beer season, trying to stay healthy. So I can muscle up like fresh Prince today. Alright. I think you can hear that. That needs a bit of oil, not too much, just a bit. I don't use teaspoons and all that measuring. Man, I use my eye. It's the right gauge. Just a little bit, not too much. You can hear that it's changing, the rhythm, the smoke, the steam's changing. Ooh.
Smells so nice. Right, get my little garlic in. I love garlic, so I got to have it. Turn it down to number 4. Get it cooked properly, not rushing. You don't rush good food. Good food is something you never rush. You just like take your time to it. Okay, that's done. See how I chop my onions, ladies? Yeah, properly chopped into small little things here that you actually swallow nicely. Swallow nicely. Yeah, right. Put it in there. Pause it now.